If you wish to share files by using Google Hangouts, then you cannot send it directly, but there's a workaround for it. So for that, I'm going to go around onto my chat message right here. You can see that there's no attachment feature or anything right here. So what you have to do is you have to first open up Google Drive and then upload the file that you want to share. So I'm just going to go around onto the root folder. I'm going to click on New. I'm going to click on File Upload. And then I'm going to select a file that I'm going to share it out. Let's say, for example, I'm going to share out book 1 file right here. So I'm in drive.google.com as I'm doing this. And over here, you can see book 1 has been uploaded onto my Google Drive. So I'm going to right click on this and I'm going to click on share right over here. So once I do that, I can copy the link right over here. So, and I can change this to change anyone with the link right here so that anyone with the link can view. So I'm just going to copy the link and I'm going to go back to Google Hangouts right over here and then paste the link right there, press enter. And now the file will be sent and the other person will be able to access the file by using this link. So this is the only workaround as of now for sending files in Google Hangouts because there is no attachment feature. So that is how you can share files using Google Hangouts to other users. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.